Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Hope you're doing good, guys. So welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm talking about Polygon Matic latest update. What's going on in the Polygon, what's the price, what's the changes in Polygon Matic. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, please guys, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Polygon Matic is about 1.11 USD dollar. That is right now price of Polygon. And furthermore, if you study, guys, the changes a bit of Polygon, so now you can see here last 1 hour update is positive 0.72%, last 1 day, last 1 week changes over in the Polygon Matic is completely going negative, guys. Very petty, the price of Polygon dump. But just in only last 1 hour, let me show you price chart. You can see here, guys, from price chart, just in last 1 hour the Polygon start pumping, guys. So now I'm very happy to see this pump, guys. Now due to this pump, possibilities that for a long time they continue this pump, we can't see about the future possibilities, guys. Anyways, guys, now if you look the previous time update, so you can see in the previous time Polygon are also completely going in the dumping, but now the pump time is starts. So guys, it's time to celebrate and it's time to enjoy, guys. Anyways, the right now price change is update of Polygon is about negative 3.31%. Right now price is 1.11 USD dollar, guys. So guys, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Polygon, and how do you feel today about Polygon Matic? Please also share your feelings in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.